Whenever there is a festive season, we try to pull out a look with a sari, and most of the time when we are about to apply our makeup, we don't find all the supplies that we need. So today in this video, I'm going to create this whole look without using any kind of makeup brush or makeup sponge. So we are going to use our magical fingers to get this beautiful makeup look. You're welcome or welcome back to Peppy Sage. This is all about makeup, fashion and a lot of travel tips. Take your time to subscribe to my channel so that you get all the latest notification of the videos that I create and upload. Leave a hi in the comment section to motivate me to create more such content. When I start my makeup, I try to start with my brows because when you are just beginning with makeup and you are not habituated with doing your eyebrows all the time correctly and perfectly, then going with the brows and your eye makeup is must, because in that way, even if you mess up, you have that option to correct it. But once you have your foundation and things on your face, you might not be able to redo your makeup. So today, because I'm not using any kind of a brush, so I am going to test out this Maybelline Tattoo Brow Pencil, and this stays for up to 36 hours. I don't know, this is insane, but I'm going to try this out today. It comes with a spoolie in one end, and on the other it has a retractable pencil like this, and the shape is kind of triangular on it. The thing is, this is not my shade, it is little lighter, but I don't mind for giving a softer looking eyebrows. So we are going to test this out now. Then I will try to fill up the sparse area starting with the tail of my eyebrows. So this pencil is not very creamy, but it is like nicely textured pencil. I might say that it is not very creamy, so you have less chances of messing with this pencil. You have to make small strokes as you go forward from the tail to the tip of your eyebrow. So you can see the difference of both of my eyebrows. So after applying, we will just take the spoolie end and again go around our eyebrows to keep it softer, because then the harsh line doesn't seems to be visible and everything blends into your eyebrows. I'm done with my eyebrows, and if you need a separate detailed review about this Maybelline New York Tattoo Brow Pigment Pencil which lasts up to 36 hours, then let me know in the comment section below and I will put out a full detailed review about this. Next, I will move on to the eyeshadow. So for a concealer, I'm using this Instant Age Renew Eraser from Maybelline again, and this I will use as a base for my eyeshadow. You can also use makeup sponges or little concealer brush for this, but for the sake of this video, hoping that you don't have those things handy, your fingers really does a good work. You can also apply the same on the bottom part of your eyes, like around your eyes, just because you don't need much of the product. If you layer a lot of product on your face, that will crease and your fine lines or wrinkles will be visible. So that's why I always prefer to apply it on the upper lid of my eyes and then spread the product at the bottom part of my eye as well. So after applying the concealer, you can set the concealer on your eyelids with a powder. So this is a loose powder from Maybelline Fit Me, and this is the finishing powder. So I will just use a tad bit of the powder on my eyelids. I will pick up with my finger just like so, and as if I use on a brush, I will tap my finger here. And I will slowly press the product on my eyelid. Just a little bit. Don't want it to be too powdery on our eyelids as well. So this lets the product set, and now our eyelids are ready for any kind of eyeshadow. So for this look, I'm going to use two eyeshadow palettes today. One is from Swiss Beauty, their ultimate eyeshadow palette, which is in the number 06. And the second one I'm going to use is from Sephora. This is their single eyeshadow pan, which is called Nacre Shimmer. Yeah, maybe colorful nacre shimmer eyeshadow. So I will use this color from here, which is very close to my eyelid, but still it is a pop of color on my eyelids. So this is the first color I'm going to use on my eyelids, all over my eyelids. You can see how beautiful and stunning this one looks. So now we are done with the shade from Sephora. I will again go back to my palette from Swiss Beauty, and I will take the lightest shade from here, which is this one, and I will apply it on my brow bones. If you have any other shade which matches or highlights your brow bone, then you can use that also, but I'm just limiting the use of eyeshadow palette so that this tutorial becomes easy for you. So now that we are done with the eyeshadow, I will do with the eyeliner. So here I have Lakme Insta liner, which everybody knows by now, and this is one of my favorites. So you can go with small means little lines, small lines. You don't have to drag it all at once. Take your time, make small lines and join all the lines together. So you can see how beautiful this one looks, and it was so easy to pull out this wing. Believe me, this is liquid, but before trying anything which you think is a pencil liner or a brush liner, you should once invest in this product, because this is very expensive. I think this is around 117 rupees, or maybe even cheaper than that. So you must try this one once. So for the foundation today, I'm using this Fit Me foundation from Maybelline. This is 310 Sun Beige, and this comes in a dewy and smooth finish. Sometimes I prefer to use my fingers for foundation because that gives a very natural look. Just think of it, this looks so skin-like and so natural. Many of you know about this Iba Cosmetic cream blush, and this is All Time Pink is the color, and this is gorgeous for all Indian skin tone. I think this is going to complement your skin tone as well, and this is very easy to apply and blend with your foundation. It doesn't move your foundation as well. So here I have the product. You can see how pigmented it is, and you can just dot it on your high ends of your cheek and start blending it very softly. So these are my blushed cheeks, and I love the color. I will also apply some on the tip of my nose. My eye makeup is never complete without a kajal, and I cannot rave much about this product from Lakme. This is the Lakme Iconic Kajal in the shade Black, and I have been using it for around 10 years now. After I have applied the kajal, I would like to smudge it a little bit on the lower portion. It's completely your choice. We'll take a clean fingertip and just go around, not on the waterline but just on the outer edge. So this is how this kajal looks right now. So after smudging the kajal on my lower lash line, I will go back to my Swiss Beauty palette over here and take this dark brown shade from here, this one from here, and apply it with my fingers upon the kajal. So to darken the waterline of your eyes if you want to, because this is a very smoky kind of reverse smoky kind of eye. So what you can do is you can take your pencil again and just tightline your eyeline. Now to finish off my eyes, I will use this mascara. This is the Sky High mascara from Maybelline, and this is, I think, one of the most talked about mascaras now recently. So yeah, if you are not willing to apply false lashes, these are also going to make your lash volume nice as well as lengthen, so you can try this one. So for my lips today, I'm going to use this product again from Maybelline. This is the Maybelline Vinyl Ink Lipstick, and this is in the shade Unreveal 30. This is such a beautiful shade and it changes the game of your makeup. So your lipstick and your eyes play a dramatic role whenever you are applying makeup. And if you are just doing these two things correctly, you even sometimes can skip on the foundation part. That's completely upon you. I hope this video has been helpful. If you like this whole look, let me know in the comment section below. And for the product details, you'll find everything in the description box below. See you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.